What's up guys, you're watching One Life and today we're going to review this Seat Leon. Now the Leon was first introduced in 1998, a hot hatch designed to take on the likes of the Volkswagen Golf, the Ford Focus and the Vauxhall Astra. This is a 2014 model. Let's get in it and talk a bit more about it. The 1.6 turbo diesel makes about 110 brake horsepower and 250 newton meters of torque, and will get you to 60 miles an hour in about 10.5 seconds. Being a turbo diesel, you do get all the power in one lump at about 2,000 revs per minute. Miles per gallon is good, again being a diesel, doing about 68 mpg with a 50 litre fuel tank. Handling is good for a mid-range car, with a chassis stiff enough to inspire confident driving while still being comfortable on those longer journeys. It's very comfortable as a passenger, cloth seats, and they're very supportive but comfortable at the same time. The driver position's very good, you're in the right place, it's comfortable and supportive considering this isn't a sporty car. The SE technology package comes with everything you need in a modern car. This package comes standard with alloy wheels, sat-nav and a bunch of other features like Bluetooth connectivity. Let's have a look at the interior. A nice modern finish. Simple, but you know where everything is. You've got a functional steering wheel which feels good in your hand and good to drive, with all your controls for your phone and things like that, and computer controls. A sat-nav screen here, which is not the best display in the world, but it's clear and it tells you what you need to know. Generally nice, modern, clean finish. Plenty of storage space, indoor cards, good sized glove box. We've got cubby holes here for your phone and things, your usual pop-up and adjustable armrest. Automatic lights, electric mirrors and windows all around. Overall, everything you need, and plenty of space. As a passenger, I have plenty of space to stretch my legs out, and even now with my seat all the way back, you just about get a child in the back still. It is a 5-seater, but I think comfortably 4 adults. Or 3 adults and 2 children. Let's have a look at the boot. Flippy button in the badge. Good sized boot with everything you need for trimming your hedge by the looks of it. Don't ask about those. Prices for the Leon start at around 19 grand for a basic model and go all the way up to around 30k for a top spec Cooper R. Guys, this was my short review on the Seat Leon 1.6 turbo diesel. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I'm going to be doing more car reviews amongst all my other content. Keep your eyes peeled for more. My name's Sam Clark, this is One Life, thanks for watching.